How to fix Wi-Fi not showing on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your Windows 10 or 11 Wi-Fi not showing. So in that case, what you can do is first just head over to your search bar and simply search in for troubleshoot settings. So as you can see, I've located the troubleshoot settings, just open it. And now once you're inside here, just select the additional troubleshooter just like this. And you can see there's internet connection option. So select it and run the troubleshooter from over here. So it will basically check the troubles or any issue regarding your network. So just click on this option just like this. And if it finds any result, it will automatically resolve it. But if it doesn't found, as you can see, there is currently no problem in my Wi-Fi network. So if it doesn't find it, it will not show it. But if it detects problem, it might give you any feedback regarding that, and you can simply follow along with it. And once you do that, just try to restart your PC and reopen your Wi-Fi settings, and you should be able to see your Wi-Fi just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.